हाय एवरीवन वेलकम टू भॉइसर ओडिया मीडियम। तो आज करबा आमे कंप्यूटर क्लास नंबर 7 जहाँकि डिजिटल सिटीजनशिप केतेगुड़ी एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन करबा जहाँकि अपकमिंग असिस्टेंट टीचर बा जूनियर टीचर एग्जाम रे हेल्प करबो। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन रही व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पोर्टल इज रिलेटेड टू ऑटोमेट व्हीकल रजिस्ट्रेशन ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस एंड व्हीकल परमिट रिलेटेड एक्टिविटीज इन ट्रांसपोर्ट अथॉरिटीज एक्रॉस द कंट्री। एमानक मध्यरु क्यों पोर्टाल रे ताहा करा जायथाय? परिवहन, एम बहन, गाड़ी, एम सारथी। परिवहन परिवहन। नेक्स्ट देखिबा which among the following is an identity platform that is one of the key pillars of digital India, wherein every resident of the country is provided with a unique number based on their biometric based identity. UAN, Aadhaar, PAN, Transport. Aadhaar card. Aadhaar. Next देखिबा what do you mean by program of software in which the source code is available to the general public for use and or modification from its original design free or charge? Open source, licensed software, agreement, private software. Open source. Next देखिबा which portal for farmer enable all central and state government organization in agriculture and allied sector to give information service advisors to farmers by SMS in their language? एमानक मध्य क्यों पोर्टाल माध्यम से माने कृषक माने सबु SMS रो विवरणी पाइथांती। एम किसान, एम कृषक, एम एग्रीकल्चर, एम कृषि। एम किसान। नेक्स्ट देखिबा which among the following is an Indian digitization online service provided by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology to access authentic documents certificates such as driving license, vehicle registration, academic mark sheet in digital format? क्यों वेबसाइट माध्यम बा क्यों ऐप माध्यम AWS क्लाउड, ड्रॉपबॉक्स, डिजिलॉकर, गूगल ड्राइव। डिजिलॉकर माध्यम ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस, व्हीकल रजिस्ट्रेशन, एकेडमिक मार्क को आम गोटे फॉर्मेट बा डॉक्यूमेंट करके रखी पारिबा। नेक्स्ट देखिबा हाउ मेनी पाइन्स एक्जिस्टेड इन ए सीरियल पोर्ट? 4, 9, 16, 25। 9। नेक्स्ट देखिबा which among the following is an instant real-time payment system developed by National Payments Corporation of India facilitating interbank peer-to-peer transaction? NEFT, UPI, RTGS, SWIFT। कहा माध्यम UPI। नेक्स्ट देखिबा which of the following is developed by NCERT that showcases all educational e-resources including textbook, audio, video, periodicals through website and mobile app? एमानक मध्य क्यों वेबसाइट माध्यम उमंग, ई पाठशाला, ई शिक्षा, ई क्लासरूम। क्यों वेबसाइट ये सब उपलब्ध थाए? NCERT टेक्स्टबुक, ऑडियो, वीडियो, ई पाठशाला। नेक्स्ट which of the following is one of the key initiatives under the Digital Indian program to develop a common unified platform and mobile app to facilitate a single point of access to all government service. Bhim, NBPS, Umang, Udan. Umang. Next देखिबा why HDMI port is used in a computer. यह क्योंथि पाई HDMI पोर्ट को यूज कराइए कंप्यूटर रे. For connecting mouse, for connecting display, for connecting graphics card, for connecting printer, for connecting display. Next देखिबा which of the following is the electronic form of the Aadhaar card that you can access it at all times, which cancels the need of carrying the physical copy everywhere. Scan Aadhaar, iAadhaar, e-Aadhaar, m-Aadhaar. e-Aadhaar. Next देखिबा what country does in stand for in a web address. In the full form कौन? Indonesia, India, incomplete, innovative. India. Next देखिबा handheld computers and smartphones should be used in class for exchanging ideas from class discussion, helping friends get the answer, playing games, sending notes during teacher's lecture. स्मार्टफोन बा हैंडहेल्ड कंप्यूटर या कौन करता है क्यों थी पाए व्यवहार होता है एक्सचेंजिंग आइडिया फ्रॉम क्लास डिस्कशन. During school hours, the correct cell phone ranger setting is low, vibrate, specialized ringtone high. Low. Next देखिए instant messaging IM is a good tool for sharing what happened in class with friends, discussing class topics, talking to friends with board in class, inviting people outside the school into the discussion. Instant message रो भल गुण कौन यह sharing what happened in class with friends. Next, email message should be long and full of details, sent to as many recipients as you can, short and to the point, send without a subject line. Short and to the point. Next देखिए the most appropriate use of technology in school is to research only, find resource to help learn the class topics, write class papers only, play games during class. Find resource to help learn the class topic. Next देखिए online learning is difficult and not worth the time, not well understood by students, like trying to take class without a teacher, being tested in many school districts. Being tested in many school districts. तो यह थिला कंप्यूटर के MCQ क्वेश्चन. थैंक यू.